Remember, switching to a secondary is always faster than reloading. Welcome, ladies. Today I'm showcasing my Aero Precision rEccE SPR. Has a 16-inch barrel and a magnified optic build today. Going from nuts to butts. It's got a Geisley SSA super semi-auto trigger in it, Magpul stock, Magpul grip, Radian Talon ambi safety, Aero Precision breech charging handle, Troy ambi mag release, as I am left-handed. For optics, I've got the SIG Tango 6 MSR 1:6 LPVO and a canted Romeo 5 from SIG as well, red dot, because I'm poor. Moving forward, we've got the Magpul XTM M-Lock hand stop, got a Surefire Scout with a pressure pad, and on the end I've got a Silencer Co. Hybrid 46M in the long configuration. And that's the build. Ghost, do you have the DSM? Good. That's one last loose end. Got a steel silhouette at 150-ish yards. I'm gonna see how many tries it takes me to hit this, if I can. We've got that same target at a 150-ish, 160-ish yards. Gonna see what kind of practical accuracy we can get out of this guy. I'm shooting M855 green tip, so see what we can do here. have the DPSN.
Is he proposing, or is there just a heart in the ground?
Just a heart in the ground. How much of that did you get video? No idea where I'm hitting at all. We're not going to use that one in the video.